Hi there, it's Kathleen here, and I have another process video for you. Today I'm working with the Citrus Twist Kids April kits. They're called Savannah, and for this layout I tried something different, or different for me at least. As you can see, I'm not working on a sheet of white cardstock. I actually wanted to use this pattern paper from Paige Evans' Pick Me Up collection as my background. It's paper 19 and comes in the Scrapbook main kit. And as you can see, I cut out two of the frames so I could layer my two photos behind. I just used my X-Acto knife, and now I'm using some tape runner to tape my photos in place, and I'm just placing the pattern paper onto my photos so I can make sure that the photo is situated exactly like I want it to. And then I already saw a lot of people use this pattern paper and fill the little frames with lots of different kinds of embellishments and texts and photos and so on. So I wanted to give it a try too. And I already know that this glittery Good Times Ahead die cut piece from the Dear Lizzie collection will be my title, and I want to have it exactly there in the middle. So now I'm just going through the embellishments and kind of color coordinating with the frames. So I'm placing this light blue bow on a light blue frame, and then these kind of olive green little puffy stickers in the bottom left corner in the coordinating frame, and things like that. And yes, I do stick down this little radio and this, I don't know, it's not coffee, but whatever cup. And they have nothing to do with the photos, but that's okay. I just want to have a mix of different embellishments and fun things on this page. Just kind of, simple, cute, and fun. That's it. So this little adventure puffy sticker is in the embellishment add-on, and it comes with these, or from the My Mind's Eye. I don't know. I can't remember the name of the collection right now. But yeah, it's travel themed, so I thought this would work well with my layout. And to be honest, this layout is nothing that special, or it's not, I don't do any fancy difficult techniques or anything. Just having a play with the embellishments and paper. That's basically it. So now I have my title piece, and it doesn't really stand out. I think the background behind it is a little bit too busy, so I'm just using some white acrylic paint to kind of fade out the paper directly behind this die cut piece. And I don't want to cover it up completely, so I still want the frames to show through the paint, but yeah, just to kind of mute the background a little bit. And I think that looks a lot better, and the title now really stands out. So now I'm back to just going through the embellishments again and finding things that go with the frames. And I don't want to fill all the frames, because then I think it will be too busy. And I also want to use one or two of them to add some journaling, because there's no way I can tuck in any journaling on this page here. I mean, I could cut a slit into the paper somewhere and stick a tag or something behind my photo or whatever, but I didn't want to. I thought that, you know, if I have these frames, I might as well use them to add my text in there. So yeah, I'm trying to keep that in mind while I'm placing all of these embellishments or stickers. And most of them come from the Pick Me Up collection puffy sticker sheet, and then some, as I said, from the My Mind's Eye collection as well. And then this glittery heart on the right is from the Chimel glitter enamel shapes, and the bird is from the Dear Lizzie die cuts. Yeah, and the photos they just show me and my dog, or our dog, when we were in Spain, just taking a walk on the beach. And I really love the photos, and I have had them printed for a while now and never got around to using them because, I don't know, the colors were kind of difficult for me because of the blue sky. It's really bright and doesn't really go with the colors I normally like to use, so this paper was actually perfect for it, and also because the pictures are quite small, so they fit in this frame, in these frames really well, I think. So now I'm just popping up this little label sticker from the Pinkfresh Studio, the Mix No. 2 sticker sheet, on some foam tape. And now I'm going through different 3x4 stamp sets from recent Citrus Twist kits to find some phrases or words that would go with the topic of this, or the theme of this layout. And I can't remember which kits they are from. If anyone wants to know, I can look it up. Just leave me a comment and I will have a look. But they are, I think, December, January, and I don't know, maybe also February, something like that. Yeah. So yeah, just trying to find phrases that I like that would go with this theme, and then I will actually add handwriting on my page. I did that in a recent layout on one of my Felicity Jane layouts, and I will do it again here. So yeah, lots of unusual things for me on this layout. So I have a pattern paper background. I think it's maybe the third or fourth layout that I've ever made not using white cardstock. And to be honest, when I was done, I wasn't exactly sure if I liked it. But probably because it was so unusual for me. But now the more I look at it, now that I'm rewatching the video, yeah, I like it more. So it's different for me at least, but it's good to try something different from time to time, I think. So now I'm also popping up this title piece on some foam tape, and I cut that part out because it's quite boring. Watch me cut all these little foam tape strips. And here I thought I would add some some thread, white thread behind it to add some more texture or softness or whatever. But it didn't look, no, I didn't like it. You can see it here, I just, yeah, took it off. It made it even busier and didn't look that good. So I just added the die cut directly onto the on the white acrylic paint. And yeah, as you can see, I added my journaling in two of the frames next to my photos, the one on the left to the left photo and one for the right photo, but the journaling goes for both actually. And that is basically it. Some color shine, some gold color shine, because I wanted to repeat the gold from the title, and also because there's no layout, or almost no layout, where I don't have paint splatters. And off camera I will add the date on this today label sticker, and I will also add some stitching in two of the frames with some colored thread, and that's actually it. So I hope you liked it, and even though it's not, you know, nothing special, but yeah, if you have any questions or any comments, let me know, and I hope you have a great day. Take care, bye!